Walking isn't the only way to get around these days. For many of us, getting from place to place could be as simple as getting in our cars, hopping on our bikes, or if we're really looking to have a good time, slipping into a pair of roller skates. Roller skating involves cardio and strength training. It can be an incredible way to get a little exercise. There are many products available to choose roller skates, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did widespread research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best roller skates from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Chicago Men's Roller Skates. Made out of urethane, the skating wheels are sure to be long-lasting. Plus, the semi-precision bearings help you skate swiftly and smoothly, giving you the traction and control you want when rounding tight corners. The traditional boot shape supports your ankle and can be adjusted to your use, and the aluminum base makes for a controlled skating experience. So, if you're looking for classic quad skates, we've chosen this option as our best overall choice. These iconic Chicago men's roller skates are a great way to kick off our list as they're the most popular choice on the market. Well crafted and designed for impeccable skating, these men's skates can be used on a wide variety of rinks and skating surfaces. Plus, these skates are super comfortable to wear and feel secure thanks to the controlled high top. What's more, the laces on the vinyl boot are premium quality, ensuring a tight fit with maximum security. Number 2. YYW Premium Classic Double Row Roller Skates. The long length of the shoe has the classic high-top roller skating shoe shape, providing you with protection while allowing you to maintain maximum control while skating. The high-quality wheels are wear-resistant and shock-absorbent, giving you a superior grip. These offer one of the smoothest roller skating experiences for beginners up to advanced skaters. Lastly, the strong capacity bearings make these skates more stable, while the overall design makes them attractive to look at. These beginner roller skates by YYW are made of high-quality faux leather with a soft inner fabric for extreme comfort while you skate. The inner fabric is breathable so your feet will stay dry no matter how hot it is outside. What's more, the fit is designed as accurately as possible to a real foot shape, giving these skates a tight and snug feel. Plus, the skates come with a double row of secure wheels. Number 3. C7 Quad Roller Skates. Roller skating is slowly coming back into vogue, but this skate's bootcut design will never go out of style. This retro-looking boot features a 1-inch heel and a faux leather exterior, which is cruelty-free, making these boots more sustainable. These comfortable, durable skates are available in multiple colors, including candy pink and mint, so you can choose the color that speaks to you. If you're looking for a sleek pair of skates, the C7 Quad Roller Skates are a top choice. This pair offers you exceptional comfort so you can skate without taking unnecessary breaks. Designed for the rough and tough outdoor life, these skates can endure the daily wear and tear of routine skating. Plus, their 54x32mm wheels are extra wide, giving you most control and traction as well as a seamless ride. Number 4. Riedell Quad Roller Speed Skates. For you fellas out there looking for a good, basic skate on a budget or are into some beginner speed skating or roller derby, then check out the Riedell Dart. These quads come in 3 different flavors: the Dart, Dart Ombre, and Dart Pixel. All 3 of these skates are identical. The only difference is the colors of the boot. All 3 boots are vinyl and have good padding, laces, and a power strap to keep your feet snug and comfortable. All of the skates come with an aluminum skate plate, a FIV convertible Franks bearings, and the Dart 62mm 93A wheels. The original Dart boot is a classic pair of indoor skates that have been around for a while now. It comes in black, blue, or purple. Next, the Ombre comes in a duotone of purple, pink, or neon green, black. Finally, the Dart Pixel is the most unique of the 3 with its white, red, gray, and black pixelated design. Number 5. Epic Nitro Speed Roller Skates. The shoe shaft isn't too long, and the black and gray color combination looks sleek and professional. What's more, the wheels are made of premium quality polyurethane, making transitioning from a professional rink to the streets a breeze. The FIV convertible Franks 8mm precision speed bearings offer you unmatched stability while skating. Plus, these roller skates come with a brake in the front on both skates, ensuring an easy stop for new skaters. All you need to do is accurately measure your feet, order your size, and you'll be skating like a pro in no time. The Epic Skate Super Nitro roller skates are a safe bet if you have a little skating experience. These skates are the perfect blend of reliability and quality, featuring a well-crafted design to give users a smooth and effortless boost. The shoe upper is strategically designed while keeping in mind the natural foot shape, giving you a secure fit. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thank you.